guys? I go by the name of Kenyan Driver 2. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are not even going far. We are going to my buddy's Anthony Munene's garage. It's just close by, less than 2 kilometers away. Because my buddy Rohan has an E30 that is brought there to be made. So he's invited me to check it out and see what he's up to and hear his plans, because at some point I will have buying an E30. So I'm just looking at these guys making their own E30s. Some of them turn them into project cars and what have you. And yeah, let's go check this guy out, see what he's got.
There's only one man clever enough to have perpetrated such a dastardly crime.
Ha! And I thought you were ready to give up.
So here we are. The butt end of Rabai Road. So as I find out, the garage is near Buruburu Phase 1. There are like a million of them stretching out there from here up to the Arambe Estate. His garage is right here. You can see that E32 are in there, and that's him. Of course, talking about a lot of nothings. Let me see where I can slot this guy. That's Rohan right there. What's up, buddy? You owe me beer and ribs, and I'm saying it on YouTube. They all know now.
How are you doing, bro?
I'm good, man.
Yeah?
I'm good. Found a reason to film today.
Really?
Yeah.
So, man,
This will not.
I got you last time with it.
I decided to put it. Guess who does the editing? It's me.
I'll find a way. I'll find a way to put it again, man. Otherwise, how have you been?
I've been good, man. So this is Rohan's car. They bled the radiator and now the bonnet is not closing.
Oh, it's temperamental, man.
Yep. Joys of owning a classic.
You keep laughing.
I'm laughing because I've been the same place you with various other issues.
Your day will come, Tony. Your day will come.
My day has been here and it's passed. I used to open my boot with a rope. But I guess you'll sort it out. Did you remove all the lights? You just removed the chrome parts.
No, we just did it on. What?
Because I'm wondering where the heck this car was. It doesn't make sense.
Trust me, you have no idea.
Right, it's okay. Yeah, I'm estimating 300,000.
If you do an engine swap, yeah.
You still need to put. You're going to find a lot of problems in here. You know that, right? You're expecting that. Stuff doesn't work. Stuff is missing. You better put these harnesses properly, or this cut.
No, it's fine. We're getting rid of the harness.
Oh yeah, okay. See, 300,000. Ooh, Coupe Manenos.
Well, I don't know. The seats are bolted.
Who the hell did the seat? Look at how full. You're right in your head with the
Because I'm tall.
But it's solid, I mean, body is fine, and that's all that matters. When you have issues, I'd leave it like that, maybe Rudisha the sunroof.
Yeah, that was my idea.
Because I know everything is there, just put it back.
Unless they remove it. But those parts are easily available.
Yeah, the parts are there and it's cut, so you just look for the rubbers and put.
The rubbers are at the back. Everything is here.
Yeah, then you can Rudisha it.
You know, I think I'll bring it this one.
Yeah.
Since the whole grill needs to be redone. You know that Coupe grill with the square lights?
Yeah. You can get it.
It's like 20 feet.
Oh shit. Put it.
Because everything needs to be redone either way.
Ah, put it there.
I think the first thing I'm doing is throwing this away. Keep this piece right here.
So this thing, it's just someone who
He took it apart, yeah.
took it apart and the project failed him miserably. And he's lost his keys several times.
Oh, this car has no keys.
Huh?
It has no keys.
I'm saying even when he had the keys to bring the car, he lost them several times.
But you know, I think the first thing I'll do, I'll put out the pop-up.
Yeah, man. Because if you
that's
sit here on a hot day, I thought they all came with that.
No, nothing. That's my first thing. Even that's the first thing I googled. Butterfly windows. And probably a new dash.
Not really. You just need to freshen it up. You don't need a new dash. Where are you going to get a new dash for?
That's a good question.
Just freshen it. It's not that bad. It's only cracked. I thought you'd be used to this. You know about this because you had a car.
Oh, by the way, if you're putting that in the video,
Yeah.
I have 2 accelerated pedals. So Moses, if you need one, just holler. Stop using that Toyo one.
No need of
Yeah, I
rushing.
don't
Don't rush it. And if it takes you 5 years, just do it properly.
No, 5 years.
No, I'm just saying. I mean, you know, right now you can start buying this stuff and just keeping it at home.
That's actually my whole idea.
Yeah. Just buy it slowly as they're trying to clear.
Yeah. That's actually what was my whole main idea actually. Like that's why, because I was getting a set of Webbers.
Yeah.
But the guy decided not to sell them. 2 Stormbird cars. That would have been really nice. So my whole idea, buy that, keep it. When it's ready, bolt it in. So it's not like, oh now okay, we have to wait for this budget.
Solid car, man. I can't wait to see it when it's done.
You'll be seeing this in front of you now,
Right.
not behind, in front.
You know that saying about wishes? Right. Okay, now let's check out this guy who's made a trike with an M54 BMW engine. I mean, this thing we've already nicknamed it the Widowmaker. M54. My first question is this. How are you going to sort the heat?
No, when it's happened, the radiator is behind.
No, I'm talking about the heat from the engine.
Now, they don't get a lot of it. It's just like a bike. There's no heat.
The advantage is it's not inside
It's not closed, yeah.
Closed.
Mm.
It's not closed.
because it's open. It will generate heat, yes.
But
But
not
because it's open, you're moving.
Mm.
When you stop, yes. Point of destruction will be open. But
and actually the driver is here.
Oh, the driver is not seated here, seated there.
It's just the engine.
Dude. An M54 on a trike.
Right.
yes, it's here.
Down.
This is nice.
Thanks.
So disc brakes at the back.
Yeah,
Double
double.
in front.
Yeah, and then this is the front.
You have seen the ones at the front.
Double.
Yeah, double.
They're double.
And then you can see what will be done with the front wheel. It's a trim. So we took a trim.
Ah, okay, well done.
Oh, okay.
You can see.
Yeah. I mean,
It actually has one.
well, with guys like this, why are people still driving Toyotas? No, for real,
What
man.
we're doing now, this is a project.
Yeah.
The next project, because this is so expensive. So we say, the next one is Toyota. It's very good from everywhere.
A Toyota engine.
And then
I
it will be a reverse brake.
Okay, maybe I'm talking like this because I own a BMW, but if you give me an option of a BM trike, a BM engine trike, and a Toyota one, I'll go for this.
The biggest issue here is one, wiring. Again, so now you're not using a car computer system, a car fuse box and immobilizer. So one, you have the immobilizer, two, you have the AWS and the ignition. So what he's trying to do is actually trying to start the engine on an independent unit. Like they start a carburetor engine, not it being inside a car. So the first thing that actually messed him up was the harness. So we got another harness. We got him a harness. Why does this remind me of the
Because of the harness. Look at that. Yep. That's where the radiator will be. They watch my what?
trumpet business.
Yeah, so that's Rohan. He's going. The red BMW E30 Coupe is his. He's giving it to Monesh to make. Monesh is the guy with the blue overalls there. This is his garage. This is where classic BMWs come to get repaired. He's doing a wonderful job because there are so many BMWs even across the road there that are waiting to get repaired, painted, engine swap, what have you. He's really busy. We've spent like 3 hours with him there. I think we've talked to him like 4 times. So if you like the video, give it a massive thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe. Have a great day.